Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, but this time we're actually coming to you from Little Coin Shop because we've got, it's a single delivery, but it's a little bit of a special one. It's part of the Simpsons series, so been looking forward to this one for a little while.
Part of the September releases as well, so it's good to have this one through.
Yeah, it is. So for all you Simpsons freaks, which there's a few of in store here, so it's another coloured 1 ounce from the Perth Mint. Very limited production, so 5,000 I believe is the worldwide production limit on this.
It is.
And then we've got the standard Simpsons boxing from the Perth Mint, and then the coin itself, and I'll pull it out in a second. And Ruben's going to tell us all about, this one's actually called a Krustylu. And
I think this is the first one that, aside from maybe the Duff Beer one, that isn't on a character particularly. It's got a couple on there, but it's in reference to the studio that Krusty works at and operates with Sideshow Mel. Is it Mel? Sideshow Mel? I think so. I'll put it in there if Simpsons memory is completely wrong. But not Sideshow Bob, as we noticed before.
Oh dear.
So controversy?
Yeah, that's right. So it comes in the classic display case that Perth Mint's decided for the Simpsons series. So it's the clear magnetic case, which I actually quite love because you've got
the custom writing on the front as well.
Yeah, that's right.
A nice little detail there.
And you've also got this little thumb hole, if you like, in the back where you can actually pop the coloured coin out, and the coin itself is encapsulated. So it's actually, I think it's fantastic the way they've done this one. You can just magnetically seal it back in again. I've just made it sweat a little bit because of my hands. So yeah, another great Simpsons product. They are only producing 5,000 of these for a worldwide release, and leading up this close to Christmas, you're going to find that they clear fairly quickly. So if you're a bit of a Simpsons freak, like several of us, head over to littlecoinshop.com.au. We'll put a link in down below, but head over there and grab them while you can. I think they retail at about $130. So all good. Right, that's all I've got, unless Ruben wants to add anything else.
I think that's it from me now as well.
And that's good.
See you, everyone.
See ya.